Hi, this is Michael Niren, immigration lawyer and founder of VisaPlace.com. So what is my opinion on Bill C-24? Now this is a bill that has been passed just a few months ago concerning revoking citizenship, Canadian citizenship, for the commission of certain acts against national security or terrorist acts. Now, the concern really is that it creates what I consider a two-tiered citizenship. And what I mean by that is that certain citizens and not others would be subject to this law. So if you were an immigrant and you became a citizen, or if you were a duo citizen, you had another nationality, and if you were convicted of certain crimes, your citizenship could potentially be revoked. Now I think this is a very dangerous precedent. This sets a very dangerous precedent. It's one thing to make the case that certain crimes could result in the revocation of citizenship. And that's a debatable issue that can be discussed. But it's another thing to create two classes of people who have Canadian citizenship and are treated differently under the law. We know there's some terrible historical precedent for that, where individuals are treated like second-class citizens, where they are deported because of not necessarily what they did, but who they are. And in a free society, it's not the direction you want to go. So, for example, if you're born in Canada and you are a Canadian citizen and that's your only citizenship, you won't necessarily be subject to this law. But if you happen to immigrate and become a citizen, or you have dual citizenship, you could be subject to this law. Unfair. Of course, if you committed an offense, you should be subject to the full extent of the law, but not treated differently. Equality under the law is a foundation in a democratic and free country. And this bill threatens that principle, undermines that principle, and I'm against it for those reasons.